In this lesson, we will learn how to select, move, and rotate the symbol in your schematic. Once you have added all of your symbols, the next step is to position them correctly, just like arranging component on a breadboard. To select a symbol, let's say we need to select the LED. Left click from your mouse on that LED. Once you select the LED, you can see the LED is highlighted. Now, in order to move this LED, you just need to click the M key from your keyboard. And you have to move your mouse wherever you have to place the component, which is the LED. So you move the cursor wherever you want to place it and just left click from your mouse. And after that, click on escape. This is how you can select the component and move the component. But what if you have to move multiple components in your schematic? So what you can do is you can left click your mouse and drag from left to right and select the number of component whichever you want. Also, if the component are not in a single row and you want to select multiple of them, then select one of the component, click Control key and then select other components, whichever you want to select. And then press the M key to move them. Now let's say if you want the component LED to be rotated by 90 degrees. So what you can do is you need to select this component and then click on the R key from the keyboard to rotate it. If you press the rotate or the R key again, it will rotate the LED again. So this is how you can move and rotate the symbols. That is how you can arrange your schematic component quickly and accurately in